Okay, so when studying radioactive material, a nuclear engineer found that over 365 days, 1 million radioactive atoms decayed to 976,811. So 23,189 decayed during the 365 days. Find the mean number of radioactive atoms that decayed in a day. So we're going to take that 23, I'm going to turn it 23,189, and we're going to divide by 365, and this is going to give our daily rate. So 63, what does this say? Round to 3 decimal places. So 63.532. 532. Okay, so that's our first step, and that's our mean. Then we want to find the probability that on a given day 51 atoms decayed. Okay. So I'm going to, this is a Poisson. The reason it's a Poisson is because it's over time. As soon as you see time involved, that's a hint with these discrete. So binomial is a discrete, but a Poisson is a specific discrete one where, you know, it's day by day, something like that. There's a 1, 2, 3. There's not a continuous scale where you have time involved. So I'm going to open up this. I'm going to go to formulas, more functions, statistical, and I'm going to go down to Poisson. Now there is a formula for it. A second. Right. Let me find it. It's on here somewhere. Might be on the second page. Oh, come on. It's on here. Oh, right here. Right. I'm looking past it. This is the Poisson. You can use this. You can put this in your calculator. The E is in your calculator. That mu is what you just, that 65 we just got. X is going to be the 51 we're looking for. That E is on your calculator. That's the natural, that's the that's the natural log. So anyways, you can do that, but Excel does such a beautiful job that we are not going to worry about it. So we want to know the probability that 51, our mean, we're going to come back here to our page, is 63.532. And we've given a specific number, so we're going to use false. True would give us the cumulative. We want the day by day, so we want to use false. That's going to give us the exact day, just 51, not up to 51. And I'm going to come back here. And so my answer right here, as you can see, about 1.5%. And it's usually pretty low anytime you're talking about a specific day. 148.04. I'm making sure I have enough decimal places. And we got it correct. So when they say use technology in the notes here, they're meaning use Excel. Or you can use their funky StatCrunch if you want. And if anyone wants to know how to use that, I will do a video on that. But I would prefer you use Excel. It's much more versatile. You can also use your calculator and use the formula. So if I got my calculator out, plugged it all in here, I could do that. And on your calculator, that E is right here on the LN button next to the 4. This second LN will give you E to the whatever you want. So like E to the 2. And E to the 1 is like 2 point something. I think 2.7. Let's go look. There, 2.718. And so you can use this and you can plug the formula in. But Excel does a very nice job, and that's how I would recommend you do it.